Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to solve the integral of x squared over the square root of 1 minus x using the substitution method. Let's start with our given integral, the integral of x squared over the square root of 1 minus x dx. Our first step is to choose a good substitution. Since we see the square root of 1 minus x, a natural choice for our substitution is u equals 1 minus x. We then need to find the differential of u in terms of x. Differentiating both sides, we'll get du equals negative dx. Now let's rewrite the dx in terms of du using the expression we found in the last step. Substituting for dx, we can replace dx with negative du. Now let's look at our original integral. We've rewritten the integral in terms of u. We now have negative the integral of x squared over the square root of u times du. The next step is to express x squared in terms of u. From our substitution, we have u equals 1 minus x. Solving for x, we get x equals 1 minus u. Therefore, x squared is equal to parentheses 1 minus u squared. Let's expand 1u squared to 1 minus 2u plus u squared. Now substitute back into the integral using 1 minus 2u plus u squared instead of x squared. Now, let's distribute the 1 slash square root u to each term in the numerator. The integral becomes the simplified expression of negative the integral of square root u minus 2 times the integral of 1 plus the integral of u to the power of 3 over 2 times du. Let's integrate these three terms one by one. The integral of u to the 1/2 is 2/3 u to the 3/2. The integral of u to the dash 1 slash 2 is 2 square root u, and the integral of u to the 3/2 is 2/5 u to the 5/2. Our last step is to substitute back in terms of x. By substitution, we have u equals 1 minus x, so replace u with 1 minus x. The final answer is negative 2/3 times 1 minus x to the 3 over 2, plus 4 times the square root of 1 minus x, minus 2/5 times 1 minus x to the 5 over 2, plus constant c. And now we've successfully integrated the original integral using substitution. Thank you for watching.